Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Milad, and as I've promised before, I'm going over some of the equipments I think are necessary for you to start your YouTube channel. This video is mainly for people who are on a very tight budget or those who want to purchase equipment with a lower cost. So if that seems like you, then stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end. This is currently the fourth part of how to start with YouTube. So if you haven't already watched my previous videos, then I highly recommend that you go and check them out. The links will be available up there in the card as well as down there in the description. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Now, of course, you're going to be needing something to record yourself while you're speaking. Unlike other YouTubers that tell you to purchase different cameras, I honestly don't think this is a necessary thing to do, especially for someone that is just starting with YouTube. I mean, 95% of a phone has a very good camera, so buying an external camera isn't an ideal thing to do, especially if you're on a very tight budget. Of course, recording with camera will make a noticeable difference, but as a beginner, it's not really an essential thing to do. Now, if you have some money and you want to buy a better camera, then my recommendation is to buy Canon M50. It comes around £630 here in the UK, but it is a very good camera. Now, what makes this camera to stand out is that you can take videos from 24 to 60 frames per second with full HD. So technically you can still record the slow motion, but you can take that a bit further and drop the quality to 720 and record with 120 frames per second. Not only that, but also you can record the 4K videos, which again, for the cost of this thing, it is a very good deal. Not to mention, it has a flip screen, so if I just change the picture, so as you can see, this hinge, it allows you to flip the screen and see yourself while you're recording your video. I cannot express how important this thing is, and it actually will make your life much more easier. So if you want to buy any other cameras, then make sure you at least have this feature. As I mentioned before, you don't have to purchase any cameras, as 95% of the phones comes with a very good camera themselves. But if the quality of your videos isn't really great, then I would maybe invest some money on lighting, as the quality of lighting will improve the quality of your videos. Again, when it comes to lighting, I love the natural light myself. It just makes you look more natural, and I try to avoid as much indoor lights as I can. And I think as we're moving towards the summertime, there will be more sunshine out there. But if you want to buy an external light, then my recommendation is to go for Yongnuo YN300 Air, and it comes around £40 here in the UK. Of course, there are better lights out there, but for this price, I think this is a fantastic light to buy, especially when it gives out the soft light. So as you can see, this white panel on top of it, it actually makes it to give out the soft light. Now let's move on to the most important thing, which is audio quality. Audio, in my opinion, is the most important thing when it comes to recording your videos. Yes, video quality is very important, but doesn't matter how good the quality of your video is, if no one can hear what you're saying, then they will immediately stop watching your video. Which is why if you have any spare money, then invest on an external microphone, depending on what your channel is about and where you will record most of your videos. But I'm sure there will be lots of videos out there that can help you with different types of mics, but if you're someone like me who just got started and who record these videos indoor, then I would recommend and purchase one of these microphones. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is a microphone that I'm using, called Boya BY-M1. The quality isn't the best, but for this price you would expect such a thing, but it makes lots of difference when you're using it than when you aren't. So it at least helps your audience to hear what you're saying. Now the cost for this thing is only £15. And last but not least, tripod. The question is, what tripod do I need to purchase? And the simple answer is you don't need to buy any. Simply go and grab some shoe boxes and books and stack them on top of each other, and there you go, you have created yourself your very own tripod. Thanks to me, of course, because you have just saved yourself some money. So you're welcome. You're welcome. But don't go too fast, because you just owe me one, and in order to pay that owe, you're gonna have to smash that like button and share this video with your family and friends. Once you've done that, come back and watch this video all the way to the end. So this is my tripod recommendation. It's actually an Amazon choice as well, and it's around about 30, it's actually £37 in the UK. And instead of me explaining what it does, let me just show you the video, because it actually comes with a video itself. So I will leave a link down in the description for all the products that I have mentioned, so you don't have to worry about writing the names down. Actually, I should have said that at the start of this video. Okay guys, this concludes everything for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider subscribing. This is all for now, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!